You should be looking where you're going, love.
You were going so fast.
Going so fast, I was doing 15 miles an hour. Oh, fucking hell, it's in gear now. That's where you filter. That's what side you filter on. You can't filter on that side because that's the bus lane. So you filter down the middle because there's space between these two lanes of traffic. And then you should be looking right. You should be looking where you're going. You're looking at, I've got a camera on. I'm so...
No, look, I apologise for this has happened, but I
don't want to do anything. I certainly don't want to do anything.
Yeah, because you're going to scratch on your knee. Do you know how much that cost me?
No, I don't. I genuinely don't think it was my fault.
Well, look, I've got a camera on it. We can see everything.
Fine.
Fucking hell! Are you fucking kidding me?